In the trading domain, technical analysis often relies on the usage of technical indicators. However, traders often evade these indicators due to their inherent lag and the need to clutter charts with multiple indicators, sometimes even 3, 5, or 10. This leads to a thought. What if there were a solitary indicator capable of fulfilling various roles? Imagine possessing an indicator that acts as a trend filter, a volatility gauge, and also generates buy and sell signals. Surprisingly, such an indicator does indeed exist, and we will delve into its intricacies in this video. So let's dive right in. The indicator in question goes by the name of B-Xtrender. To add this indicator to your Tradingview chart, head over to the Indicator Search tab and look up B-Xtrender by Quant Therapy. This B-Xtrender is a versatile 3-in-1 tool. It can be harnessed in 3 primary ways for generating buy and sell entry signals, identifying trends, and assessing market momentum. Before we delve into these applications, let's take a closer look at the constituent components of this indicator. The histogram that transitions from green to a deeper shade of green is referred to as the B-Xtrender Trend histogram. This nomenclature becomes evident here as highlighted. By toggling it on and off, you can observe that this component undergoes changes. Additionally, the line positioned above the B-Xtrender Trend histogram is identified as the B-Xtrender Trend line, as indicated. Now let's focus on the significance of this line. This line is termed the B-Extender oscillator, while the histogram behind it is named the B-Extender oscillator histogram. As you can clearly see, the style settings of this indicator offer a plethora of customization options. You have the freedom to alter the color, display style, and thickness of each constituent of the indicator. For the strategy we are about to showcase in this video, all the settings will remain at their default values. Now let's delve into how this indicator can be leveraged to identify buy and sell entry signals, recognize trends, and assess market momentum. Firstly, with regard to buy and sell entry signals, pay close attention to the appearance of green and red dots along the B-Extender oscillator. These dots represent buy and sell signals respectively, with green dots indicating buy signals and red dots denoting sell signals. Moving on, let's shift our focus to momentum identification. This task is executed by the B-Extender oscillator histogram, which is prominently displayed here. When the histogram is colored in green, it signifies a bullish market momentum. Conversely, a red hue signifies bearish market momentum. Now, why does market momentum hold significance? Momentum gauges the speed at which price changes occur in a specific trading asset. This holds relevance in technical analysis as it assists traders in forecasting the probable direction the market will take. Moving on to the third aspect, we delve into trend identification. This function is carried out by both the B-Extender trend line and the histogram. As stated earlier, the line positioned above the histogram corresponds to the B-Extender trend line, while the histogram itself represents the B-Extender trend histogram. When both these components exhibit a green shade, it indicates a bullish trend. Conversely, when they switch to red, it signifies a bearish trend. It's important to note that during a bullish trend, the B-Extender histogram transitions to a deeper shade of green. In cases of signaling a market pullback or a weakening of that specific bullish trend, the B-Xtrender trend line changes its color to red, reflecting this alteration. Conversely, during a bearish trend, the B-Extender trend histogram is intrinsically shaded in dark red. In scenarios where a pullback or a weakening of the bearish trend is observed, the histogram shifts to a lighter shade of red. Simultaneously, the B-Xtrender trend line alters its color to green. At this point, you might be pondering, how can I practically utilize this indicator for trading? Allow me to elucidate that. For long trades, here's the approach to initiate a long trade. The B-Extender trend histogram should display a green color, indicating a short-term bullish trend. Concurrently, the B-Xtrender oscillator histogram should also show green, signifying a bullish market momentum. Lastly, a green dot should emerge on the B-Extender oscillator, indicating a buy signal. Once all these conditions converge, we can confidently enter into a long trade. For short trades, conversely, for a short trade, we consider the following criteria. The B-Xtrender trend histogram is red, denoting a short-term bearish trend. Additionally, the B-Xtrender oscillator histogram takes on a red tone, representing bearish market momentum. Correspondingly, a red dot materializes on the B-Extender oscillator, signaling a sell indication. As soon as these prerequisites align, it's time to execute a short trade. However, you may observe that the B-Xtrender Trend histogram exclusively identifies short-term trends within the market.
What?
Hence, we will introduce an additional indicator to confirm long-term trends. To find this indicator, navigate to the Indicator Search tab and search for Donchian Trend by Lonesome the Blue. Double-click to access its settings panel. In the Inputs tab, make adjustments by setting the length to 200 and reducing the line width to 1. Proceed to the Style tab and deactivate the 2 character options. Afterward, click OK. The Donchian Trend Indicator is employed to identify trends and potential entry points using the upper and lower bands of the Donchian channels. Within our context, this indicator will aid in recognizing long-term trends. The utilization is straightforward. When the trend line of the Donchian Trend Indicator adopts a green shade and the price consistently remains above it, this indicates a long-term bullish trend. Conversely, when the trend line shifts to red and the price consistently trades below it, a long-term bearish trend is signified. Now let's explore the setup for initiating a long trade. Long trade setup. To take a long trade, we'll proceed as follows. The initial step is to establish that the market is undergoing a long-term bullish trend. This is achieved by ensuring that the Donchian Trend Indicator is colored green and the price is consistently trading above it. Next, we need to verify that the market is in a short-term bullish trend. To do so, we confirm that the B-Xtrender Trend histogram is shaded in bright green, as illustrated here. Subsequently, we require a buy signal to be generated by the B-Xtrender Indicator. To validate this signal, we'll await a green dot to be printed on the B-Xtrender oscillator. Furthermore, for this buy signal to be considered valid, the green dot must appear below the 0 line. Should it appear above the 0 line, similar to this instance, the setup becomes invalid. Upon the printing of this green dot, the B-Xtrender oscillator histogram should adopt a green hue. This signifies sufficient bullish momentum in the market, capable of propelling the price to the take-profit level. With all the entry conditions met during this candle, we'll confidently enter a long trade. Setting the stop loss below the most recent swing low and establishing the take profit at 2.5 times the risk will initiate the trade and allow it to progress until reaching the take profit point. For short trades, we will reverse all the conditions. The initial step is to ascertain that the market is entrenched in a long-term bearish trend. To achieve this, we ensure that the Donchian Trend Indicator is shaded in red and the price is consistently trading below it. Next, we need to validate the existence of a short-term bearish trend in the market. To do so, we confirm that the B-Xtrender Trend histogram is colored in a deep shade of red, as exemplified here. Subsequently, we await the appearance of a sell signal generated by the B-Xtrender Indicator. To verify this signal, we patiently wait for a red dot to be imprinted on the B-Xtrender oscillator, similar to the example shown here. Additionally, for the sell signal to hold validity, this red dot must be printed above the 0 line. In the event that it's printed below the 0 line, such as demonstrated here, that particular setup becomes invalid, necessitating us to skip it. Once this red dot materializes, the B-Xtrender oscillator histogram should take on a red hue. This signifies the presence of sufficient bearish momentum in the market, capable of propelling the price toward the take profit point. With all the entry conditions satisfactorily met during this candle, we confidently enter a short trade. By positioning the stop loss above the most recent swing high and setting the take profit at 2.5 times the risk, we initiate the trade and allow it to evolve until reaching the take profit level. This is merely one among the multitude of strategies you can deploy using the B-Xtrender Indicator. It's also adaptable to be utilized in conjunction with price action, support and resistance, smart money concepts, or ICT. The possibilities are boundless. The primary objective of our YouTube channel, as well as similar platforms, is to impart essential trading strategy concepts. We present these in the form of indicator combinations that can serve as inspiration for devising your own profitable trading systems. Hence, if you're in pursuit of that indicator, the one that could substantially elevate your trading strategy, go ahead and click the like button below. Also, consider subscribing to remain informed. Thank you for tuning in until next time.